like just yesterday we were here breaking ground. So I am so excited to be here with you this morning. It is my honor to welcome everybody today. We have proudly served Virginia for over 25 years with over 110 locations. But what's really exciting, you guys are number 125 today in Virginia. And you've been asking us for a long time to come westward. We're here. And we're still going. WaWa is a company with a very strong culture and a very long history that traces back to 1803. Every day, please welcome your general manager, Bear Hatfield, to mark our new store in Lynchburg.
So this team will be led by General Manager Bear, which came down earlier. So let's have a round of applause for Bear and her team. And now we're going to launch our Hoagies for Hero competition. And to share the details, I'm going to pass it over to Bear.
Good morning, good morning. Are we all excited? I am so excited to be here. Thank you all so much. I am excited to kick off our Hoagies for Heroes building contest today. We're gonna have so much fun. Is everyone ready? You know what you're doing. We're gonna do a countdown. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, folks, don't be shy. Get in there. I can tell you the lettuce might go flying. My folks over here, you're allowed to throw lettuce. Please don't throw tomatoes or Bear will be very upset that our parking lot's stained. How are we doing here? We've got a closed box here. We've got 2. All right, not bad. We've got almost 2 over here. That's pretty good, guys. These don't have to be perfect, though. I mean, quality counts, like minimal quality. Like give it like a 5 out of 10. Inside, you're getting a 10 out of 10, I promise. But out here, we just need speed. I need speed. We almost have a full box from my fire department. We've got a gun there too for the sheriff's office. Who thinks the fire department's gonna win? And who thinks the sheriff's office is gonna win? All right. Well, the good news is they might tie, so you might both be right. And then I don't know what I do. How are we doing on time? What do you think, like a minute to go? About a minute to go. The customers are hungry. You gotta hustle, people. Everyone gets to eat one of these hoagies. Just kidding. Please don't. There's probably paper in them. They're looking a little sloppy. Melvin, get them on there. Come on, we gotta make them look good. You gotta make them look good. How are we doing over here, Christian? All right, we're doing pretty good over here. We're looking good. I see paper right there. That can't be there. That can't be there. No paper. All right, these are Italian shorties. Right now, you can get your shorty in the store for $4? $4 through the weekend and free coffee. That's exciting. You don't have to eat these hoagies, but I mean, you guys can if you want. What do we got? About 15 seconds to go. Oh, lettuce is flying. Uh-oh. This is friendly competition. What do we got? 10 seconds. Let's do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, hands up. All right. I need official counts quietly from Melvin and Christian. And can you grab the checks? They're over here. And the trophy.
Your nose is about to get me loud.
All right. Bear, I'm going to give you the trophy to present. Our sheriff's office has 14 hoagies. And our firefighters have 16 hoagies. Our winners over here, Bear, give them that trophy. But the good news is everyone's a winner because everyone's getting a $1,000 donation from WaWa today to both organizations that these folks have selected. We're going to take a couple photos of these teams and then we're going to move to the front of the store to cut our ribbons. So stick around. Monday, can I get some fun tunes? Yeah. See, ask and you shall receive. He comes in hot. All right. Big smiles, give me a big cheer. Woo!